Here are some interesting facts about holograms. Smartphones will soon have holographic displays to show 3D images that appear to float above the screen. This could revolutionize how we communicate and interact with digital content. In the future, we might even see holographic technology integrated into everyday electronics like TVs and computer monitors. Neon blue holograms enhances the way we interact with digital content by providing an immersive and engaging experience. Future tech will allow audiences to interact with holographic content in real time, such as during a concert or sporting event. Persistence of vision creates smooth, captivating 3D graphics that can be experienced from multiple angles. For consumers, this means we'll soon be able to enjoy holograms in our homes through our TVs and gaming consoles. Load hologram-specific videos to get the best out of your display. Holographic displays allow users to interact with 3D visuals in a more intuitive way. Holographic imaging captures high-resolution color and depth in one shot, allowing for realistic and immersive 3D images. In the future, interfaces may replace traditional screens with immersive holograms, making our interactions with technology more engaging. White light holography makes the technology more accessible by not requiring expensive equipment. This enables advanced vision solutions in portable devices like smartphones, as well as applications in high-end environmental monitoring.